If Clipchamp is showing an internet connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. We'll start with the quickest solutions first, then move on to a few deeper troubleshooting steps that usually get Clipchamp working again. This is perfect whether Clipchamp is stuck loading, won't connect, or keeps throwing an error even though your internet seems fine. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Clipchamp and give it a moment to load. Sometimes the issue is temporary and a simple reload can clear it up. If you're already on the Clipchamp page and it isn't responding properly, refresh the page in your browser and check whether the error disappears. This quick step often fixes small connection glitches without you needing to do anything else. Next, make sure your internet connection is actually working. Open another website and see if it loads normally. Try a couple of different sites if needed, because sometimes one website may be slow while the rest of your connection is fine. If other sites aren't loading either, then the issue is probably with your network, not Clipchamp. In that case, you may need to restart your router or switch to another connection before Clipchamp will work correctly. If your internet is working on other websites, the next step is to log out of Clipchamp and then log back in. This can reset your session and clear any temporary sign-in problems that might be causing the connection error. After logging out, wait a few seconds, then sign back in with the same account you normally use. Once you're back in, check whether Clipchamp loads properly. If the problem is still there, clear your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with websites like Clipchamp. To do this, go into your browser settings, then find Privacy and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear the cached files, and if needed, you can also clear cookies for Clipchamp. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try loading Clipchamp again. This step solves a lot of stubborn loading and connection issues. Another great fix is to use Incognito mode. Open your browser menu and select New Incognito window, then go to Clipchamp and try again. Incognito mode disables many extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session, which makes it very helpful for troubleshooting. If Clipchamp works in Incognito but not in a normal window, that usually means one of your extensions, cookies, or browser settings is causing the issue. If Clipchamp works in Incognito, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions can sometimes interfere with video editors and cloud apps. Try disabling extensions one by one and reload Clipchamp after each change until you find the one that's causing the conflict. Once you identify it, you can keep it off for Clipchamp or whitelist the site. You should also make sure your browser is fully updated. An outdated browser can create compatibility problems, especially with web-based tools like Clipchamp. Update your browser if needed, then relaunch it and test Clipchamp again. It's also a good idea to try a different browser entirely, just to see if the issue is specific to the one you're using. If none of those steps fix the error, the problem may be temporary on Clipchamp's side. Wait a little while and try again later, especially if the site was working before and suddenly stopped. Sometimes connection errors happen during service interruptions or account sync issues, and they resolve on their own. So to quickly recap, open Clipchamp, refresh the page, check your internet on other sites, log out and log back in, clear your cache through settings and privacy, and finally try Incognito mode. In many cases, one of those steps will fix the Clipchamp internet connection error fast. If this video helped you get Clipchamp working again, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.